So hi guys, my name is Gellis and this is Infinite Modesty Design. Of course, who we are. We are a Toronto sewing and fashion studio, and our goal here is to help build your business, of course, with your list online. Now, in this video, I want to just let you know a little bit about Convertkit and Mailchimp because I have been using Convertkit recently. I just moved over actually to the platform, and I have been using Mailchimp since I started. Now, I remember when I used to schedule an email for Mailchimp, it was like, oh my goodness, I have to do an email. I have to send up to my client. But once I move over to ConvertKit, boom, it was a breeze, guys. I love the platform. One thing I love the platform is that you could send freebies very easy to your your client to accept your freebies, to connect with you very easy. Another thing I like for the platform is the scheduling. It's very cool for scheduling. You could schedule your email a full month and it's so easy, it's so breezy, and also it's auto responding. So I really love the platform. Now what I will do another video, of course, to dive into the platform because I'm still learning the platform and I'm so excited. I definitely want to share it with you. Also, I think they have a 1,000 subscriber free. You could definitely check the link in the description below where you could actually sign up and start growing your list up to 1,000 subscribers very easy, very quickly. All right, so what I want you to do also is to kind of click the link in the description below because I will be sharing more business tips, sewing and fashion, and generally just to grow your business with your list. So definitely subscribe, like, share, and of course, once again, thank you so much for joining us today. My name is Gellis and this is Infinite Modesty Design. Take care, guys.